Alright, well, welcome to, I don't know what I'm calling this channel. I put a poll on Instagram and asked if people wanted me to make YouTube videos, and they said yes. Like, pretty much unanimously. So, you get what you wanted. My idea for this is, I have 38 points, and I'm leaving tomorrow. A meal is about 6 points. So I've got lunch today, dinner today, lunch tomorrow, and I'm leaving. That's 18 points. What am I gonna do with the other 20? Well, I'm gonna see what I can cook using this thing, which is like a hot pot with it's like a water boiler thing, and whatever I can buy downstairs. So yeah. I have no idea how this is gonna go. This could turn out trash or really good somehow. I can cook. Whether or not I can cook with whatever the hell is downstairs, that remains to be seen. So if you want, stick around. We'll see if I can cook something using only things I can purchase downstairs at the dining hall food plate. I don't know. Anyways, I'll be back when I get the food. Alrighty, so I'm back. I've got the stuff that I bought. I spent 15 points. They have sushi, which is great. Take the carrots out of that, I think. I bought a shin bowl just because of the flavor packaging, and it has ramen in it. Pineapple, I don't know why. Thought I might eat it. This thing, because it has Spam in it, I don't know. I got myself a soda. That's just how I am. These I bought downstairs a while ago. So, I'm gonna use those as well. And then I also got chicken flavor cup noodle. Now, the idea here, I don't know if it's gonna work. That's why I bought 2 sushis. The top one's for me, just in case. The idea is to take the shin bowl, right, and then take half of the spice packet from it, because it's really spicy, and take the whole chicken packet, combine them, use the ramen from the shin bowl, put some carrots in it, and then maybe have some pineapple and Spam and seaweed on top. It'd be like Hawaiian, Korean spicy ramen. Sure. So, let's get moving. If this works, I'm a genius. If it doesn't, well, I tried. Alright, so got it moving. Turn it on. I put some of the carrots from sushi in there. I don't think I need any more right now. I have no real implements for doing this. Filming. It's sitting on my boxes. Honestly, at this point, Spam thingamajig just because I don't like spam. I grabbed it just because maybe it might go on top. We'll see at this point, honestly, because I don't know where it'll fit. I've decided I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the vegetables thing and try to preserve the chicken flavor. I'm gonna pour. That's annoying. What I think I'm gonna do, as soon as this starts really kicking off, I'm gonna put this in here, this one, what it's supposed to be, and then I'm gonna put this. Alright, well, not gonna lie, I thought I was recording for about 5 minutes while I was playing this, but here we have it. It looks pretty decent, to be fair. Now let's get it out into some better light with my great choice of food other than this. It's not amazing. It probably tastes pretty freaking good. But yeah, now I'm gonna try it at about 2 minutes when it cools down because it is still really hot. Alright, well it's cooled down. I forgot my fork. I'm very good at this. Spoon. Because ramen is ramen. I don't know where I was going. Not gonna lie. So, I mean, let me try the broth first, because it was a mixture of 2 different pre-packaged ramen and some butter. It tastes like miso soup, but with like a kick. I'm actually really surprised. I honestly thought I was gonna make some trash bags, but it's actually pretty good. It's a little spicy, but it's like, we're welcome here. The noodles are gonna be overcooked, obviously, because I left them in for too long. It's ramen. It's good though. Like, I don't like the shin bowl. It's too spicy. I love the normal chicken one because it's chicken. It just tastes like salt. Seriously though, like I've made something decent. I'm actually surprised. I don't have to eat that sushi now. I can eat this. See if the pineapple actually is good. I mean, cooked pineapple is great. Pineapple on pizza, I'm not gonna say my opinion. Yeah, I don't care, really. It's not the worst. It's not, I wouldn't order it, but if it's there, I'll eat it. Actually, that's pretty good. You know what? I'm genuinely surprised that I made something decent here. Alright, well, try it for yourselves. I actually had fun, and it was good, and I used 15 points. Now I have one meal tonight, meal tomorrow, and I'm gone, and I've got 23 points. Oh, Jesus. I mean, this is not going to get up in time for me to make a part 2, so... And I've exhausted basically what they've got down there. It's a lot of chips and pre-made food. But what they do have is a lot of random Asian snacks, which help me make this. It's great. But anyways, if you enjoy, like, and if you know me, you probably already like because you know me. Smile. I mean, if you want, you can subscribe. I'll probably make more videos if you do. But yeah, this will probably be one of the few cooking videos because I'm a college student. I don't have at least until next year, I don't have a kitchen. But it'll mostly be like Reddit videos, reaction videos, and stupid shit, because I can't do all. Comment what you want me to do. Reddit's subreddit, please, because I've got my 5 that I love. Send me more. Although try the laugh challenge. I'll play some video games if you really want. I'll play some Overwatch, Fortnite. If I have to, I'll play FIFA. GTA, especially. The Sims, Pokemon. I play a lot of video games. Smash Bros, because that comes out. Oh god, what day is today? That comes out tomorrow night. Yeah. Have a good one.